Let's talk maybe about some of the specifics that we saw this year. And one that I know you've been involved in, I was also involved in the ad boards for, is a Eucerin product, which comes from Beiersdorf. One of my favorite lines is Eucerin, and it's under the Eucerin Radiant Tone brand. And they've got a serum, a day lotion with SPF 30, and they've got a night cream. So talk about Thiamidol. This is a very cool new ingredient coming into the market.
Finally available in the United States. This has
Yeah.
been launched in Europe a few years ago and just done
Yeah.
incredibly well outside of the US. Thiamidol is an ingredient that is a human tyrosinase inhibitor. So tyrosinase is the enzyme that's involved in the pathway of producing pigment in the skin. If you're able to inhibit this, the idea is that you'll stop the production of pigment and reduce the appearance of brown spots, maybe even melasma as well, which, as you know, is probably the most difficult to really reduce. And finally, it's here. I think it's a great new ingredient. It seems to be very safe. It has been tested on a novel testing pathway where the company not only found this new ingredient, but they also figured out a way to mimic the human tyrosinase enzyme.
Right.
Most other companies test their tyrosinase inhibitors on mushroom tyrosinase, which is not human. And so this
Correct.
company did both. They figured out a new chemical entity that they were going to use, and they figured out how to test it so that they could be sure that it worked in humans. So it is really exciting, and I hope it ushers in a new era of much safer, lightening and brightening products for the consumer and our patients.